Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Google Forms. If you need to create surveys, quizzes, event registrations, or just collect feedback, Google Forms is the easiest tool to use. Today, I'll show you how to make a Google Form step by step, so you can collect responses like a pro. So let's get started. The first step is to open Google Forms, and you can do that by going to Google Forms and searching for it in the search bar of your search engine. Once the website appears, click on it and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. As you can see here, just click on login and use your Google account's credentials to log in. And once you log in, you will be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, we're gonna click on blank form or choose a template from these options right here. For this example, I'm just gonna click on blank form. Now the second step is to add a title and description. Click on the entitled form and type your form's name, for example, customer, any form with name, and below add a description explaining what your form is for. You can write it in this here. You can choose bold, italic, underline, etc. You can even insert a link. Now the third step is to add questions, and you can do that by clicking on the plus button right here. Once you select a question, click on the plus button to add a question. From here you can choose a question type by clicking on this options right here, the multiple choice. There are short answers, which are for names, emails, and quick replies, paragraphs for a detailed answer, multiple choices are for quizzes and selections, and checkboxes are for multiple selections, and drop down to keep things neat. And as for file upload, if you need users to send files, for example resumes, photos, etc. As for the fourth step, customize form settings, and you can do that by clicking on the gear icon, which is the gear icon you see here, or just go to settings and enable email collection and limit responses, or enable quiz mode for exams. You can do that from these options right here. As for the fifth step is to preview and share your form, and you can do that by clicking on the icon on the top right here to see how it looks. As you can see, this is the viewer's perspective. You can also share the link by clicking on share, and then you can choose the restriction. You can choose restricted or anyone with the link. Now if you choose restricted, make sure you enter the people emails you want access to the form. And once you do that, now before you do that, make sure you click on publish once you finish modifying the form. And after that, you're going to be able to copy the responder's link. As you can see here, the option you can be copy, and as you can see, the link is copied to the dashboard, and boom, your Google form is ready. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.